Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. Okay, let's take a very quick peek at 365 days of dominance. Now, let's look at the creators. They are 2 well-known people in the self-help niche that I can recommend. Sean and Callie Lee. They have a tremendous following and are known to build products that sell. In a nutshell, 365 Days of Dominance is a training program that takes you by the hand and shows you how to grow daily with strategies that will reshape your actions, reshape your mindset, and reshape the tools that you may have. Now, there are 5 things you should know about this product. It covers all the in-demand topics that we all face on a day-to-day basis. You can sell it as your own and keep 100% profit. After all, it's a PLR. It's a blueprint for those who want to master the art of personal success and transformation throughout the year. And it is top quality information, driven with passion, and one of the hottest topics in the self-help community. And included is an updated information to develop daily strategies, 10 powerful chapters, editable document and PDF formats, stunning chapter graphics, and great for visual learners. So what's in the product? Well, you get a top-notch ebook, a complete checklist, comprehensive mind map, a sales page, a video sales letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing page, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics pack, a license certificates, and plus 3 fast action the bonuses that complement my own bonuses. The sales funnel looks like this. There's the front end, which is $13 or $14.39 today. OTO1 is $47 and includes a video upgrade, video sales letters, slides to all videos, video transcripts, and more. OTO2 is $97, includes a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages, which come with a full front-end product and pro upgrades. And OTO3, it ranges from $77 to $147 and includes a done-for-you installation service. And OTO4 ranges from $27 to $197. And what that includes is an abundant print VIP membership and early access to monthly PLR products. Now watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you also get less product. Now if you want to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. But don't forget to press the first link to earn $10,000 monthly. And oh yes, before I go, again, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to free traffic. How to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. Gain reoccurring income online with ease and earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.